The Black House. In a small town, there was an old house at the edge of the forest. People called it the Black House because it was covered in dark vines and looked very old. No one ever went near it because they thought it was haunted. One day, a boy named Daniel moved to the town with his family. He had heard stories about the Black House. He was curious and loved adventures. It's just an old house, he thought. There's nothing to be afraid of. One afternoon, when his parents were busy, Daniel decided to visit the Black House. He sneaked out of his house and walked through the forest to find it. As he got closer, he felt a chill in the air, but he ignored it. The house was bigger than he thought. Its windows were covered and the door had strange symbols on it. Daniel felt scared, but he knocked on the door. No one answered. He turned the door knob and the door opened with a loud creak. Inside it was very dark and cold. The air smelled like dust and old wood. Daniel stepped inside and called out, "Hello, is anyone here?" His voice echoed, but no one answered. He kept going deeper into the house. As he walked, he saw strange paintings on the walls. The eyes in the paintings seemed to follow him. He felt a little scared but kept going. Then he heard a whisper. He stopped. He turned around quickly, but no one was there. The room was empty. His heart beat faster and he started to feel afraid. He wanted to leave but decided to keep going. At the end of the hall, Daniel saw a door. It was a little open and light came from the room. He took a deep breath and walked inside. What he saw made him stop. In the middle of the room was a big mirror. When he looked into the mirror, it was no reflection of the room. He was standing in the Black House, but much darker. The walls were cracked and shadows seemed to move. And behind him, in the mirror, there was a figure. Daniel quickly turned around, but no one was there. When he looked back at the mirror, the figure was still there, staring at him. Daniel's heart raced. He wanted to run, but the door slammed shut. The room got even colder, and the shadows in the mirror started to come closer to him. Daniel was scared. He knew he had to get up. He pushed the door open, ran down the hall, and rushed outside into the sunlight. He looked back at the house. The Black House was still and quiet like nothing had happened. After that, Daniel never went near the Black House again. But every time he passed by, he felt like the house was watching him, waiting for the next person to go inside, and no one ever went in again. At the end, the moral of the story is curiosity can lead you into dangerous situations. Sometimes it's best to listen to warnings and avoid places or things that feel unsettling or wrong. Trust your instincts as they can help you stay safe. If you like this video, then you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.